My Igbo brothers, do not fall in this trap or in this propaganda of Rubel Abati. Me, I call him Rubel Abati. You see this man, we sit down for Rice TV, where they call Rubel Abati. More na dey careful. This one is Yoruba tribal game. If you fall for this one, no follow. We know they sell land. Yes, Igbo do agree. We know they sell land because we know they hungry. Now people where they hungry, now that they say even say swamp. When una don't sell on a swamp finish, or I go come they talk say there is a road there, you need to make it a railway, and the government are taking it. My people, may Igbo people no fall for this one. Go bring out that land where they keep for your children. Go sell them because you want to prove the Yorubas wrong. Rubel Abati wrong. I'm not calling Yoruba. Rubel Abati wrong. So don't fall. Let the Igbos never fall to this trap. However, there's something that I want to say here today. You know, in this Tinubu government, I know say many tribes don't understand what thing they happen. When Buhari enter, they do Buhari people do house funani. Nah, Tinubu don't enter. It don't they do Yoruba. The day where Igbo man will step in foot inside this place, he come put Igbo. He see him, he go become problem. Everybody no go rest, nobody go sleep again. It go become problem. The hypocrisy I don't know how I put it, but where they happen for Nigeria is too much. So I'm going to play you some videos for us to watch today. I'm bringing out some things to point for you one after the other. First, let us go and watch this video where this man, what they call Rubel Abati, that they yell but away from him mat for inside social media. They but for inside television they talk nonsense with him mat. Just watch him before we come back. Come bring you another one where they have.
He said that his in-laws told him that they don't sell land to outsiders. That is the irony of Nigeria about the politics of federation, of unity. The same Igbos who are so industrious that they are all over and they do well in other parts of Nigeria. You go as a non-Igbo man to go and buy land. You will be told that you don't belong, even as an in-law. He was very right about the Igbo people. Although he was saying Igbos came to Lagos. They have taken over 3 local government areas. Well, I don't know whether the Eleko of Iko, the Oba of Lagos, will be happy to hear that Igbos have now become homonyless in Lagos. I think that's more about the liberalism of the Yoruba race rather than the, the accommodating, conquering spirit of the Igbos. But the Igbos are industrious. He used the word mercantile. Well, I don't like the word mercantile. But he's right if he says that Igbos are entrepreneurial. And I end by what people say about Igbos. That if you enter a community, a village, you don't see an Igbo man there, please pack your things and go. It means that place is not conducive. However, let me give the flip side. Chief Tos Benson, T.O.S. Benson, former Minister of Information, now late, on one occasion at the Nigerian Institute of International Affairs, and I'm not making this up, he said it publicly. If anybody can contradict me, let them do so. He said something about Igbo people. He said he had an Igbo wife and had an Igbo daughter, that he wanted to buy land, in Igbo land, for his daughter, for his wife. To say, I'm getting old. Tos Benson is getting old. Let me build in this place for my wife. He said that his in-laws told him that they don't sell land to outsiders. That is the irony of Nigeria about the politics of federation, of unity. The same Igbos who are so industrious that they are all over and they do well in other parts of Nigeria. You go as a non-Igbo man to go and buy land. You will be told that you don't belong, even as an in-law. That's by way of an aside.
There should have been a special commission to take care of the destruction and the effects of the civil war on the Igbo. A group of very mercantile people, hardworking people, who on their own, where would you think you would have taken money to do all they had done? Almost all the Igbo people that I know, after the Civil War, the billionaires are all self-made. Whether in the aviation industry, you look at Ojema, whether you look at Chief Okonkwo, who just found out that he wasn't the only one who sponsored Governor Gige. Yeah. And that Ifeanyi Uba was also that the Igbos are very proud people. The Igbos are very mercantile. The Igbos are the only ethnic group in Nigeria that when they enter Kano State, they build houses in Kano State for themselves. They don't rent. They turn around the place. When they enter Lagos, they own almost 2 or 3 local governments and build houses and live there. There's no place they go to, they don't make impact. But other Nigerians will come to my state and rent houses and stay for 15 years and go back without building a structure. But the Igbos are not the same. They are not like that.
My people, you don't hear them. I want you to also watch this video. Watch this video I'm going to play right now.
Trust me, I hope you do not see it as a tribal attack. Now, these are the appointments so far that Tinubu has made. In this Nigeria we have, the president is a Yoruba man, the minister of finance, a Yoruba man, minister of education, Yoruba man, minister of trade and industry, Yoruba man, minister of petroleum, Yoruba man, minister of marine and blue economy, Yoruba man, minister of power, Yoruba, minister of justice, Yoruba, minister of communication, Yoruba, minister of interior, Yoruba, minister of solid minerals, Yoruba, EFCC, Yoruba, CBN, Yoruba, Federal Inland Revenue Service, Yoruba, NIRSAL, Yoruba, DG, DSS, Yoruba, Chief of Army Staff, Yoruba, CG, Controller General Custom, Yoruba, Controller General Immigration, Yoruba, Chief of Defense Intelligence, Yoruba, Permanent Secretary State House, Yoruba, Commandant Guards Brigade, Yoruba, Inspector General of Police, Yoruba, DG BPE, Yoruba, DG BPP, Yoruba, Chief of Staff, Yoruba, Accountant General of the Federation, Yoruba, Heads of Service of the Federation, Yoruba, FCCPC, Yoruba, NEPA, Yoruba, NIMASA, Yoruba, NSITF, Yoruba, PENCOM, Yoruba, AMCOM, Yoruba, MPHCDA, Yoruba, NAFDAC, Yoruba, NIDCOM, Yoruba, NOA, Yoruba, NEBZA, Yoruba, retired CJN, Yoruba, current CJN, Yoruba, former Chief of Army Staff, Yoruba, current Chief of Army Staff, Yoruba. Then, say only yesterday, the federal Yoruba government made 4 appointments to the post of DG of same federal parastatal. 3 of those were given to Yoruba people, namely Mr. Olawole Olapade, Director General National Sports Commission, Dr. Abisoye Fagade, Director General National Institute of Hospitality and Tourism, Dr. Adebowale Adekoku, Director General Bureau of Public Procurement.
But wonderful people, I want you to also watch this video of waiting they happen for inside a market where they call Ladipo. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
Ladipo market has been taken over by the Mushin local government officers. Ladipo market has been taken over by the Mushin local government officers, and their chairman, Chief Chukuma Onyebinamma, has been arrested and taken to Abuja, he and his men. The chairman arrested by the police, and he has been flown to Abuja, he and those other people working with him. Now, we talked about the Ladipo International Market, and we said that the Mushin local government came and told the leadership of the market that you must include a Yoruba indigene in your leadership. They don't want Igbos flooding the leadership of the Ladipo market, that they must include Yoruba indigenes in their next election. But somehow crisis erupted during the election day, that is November 16th. When the election took place, there was another round of crisis and clash after the day that they had issues with the directive from Mushin local government. Now, the chairman, Chief Onyebinamma, his vice chairman Kajetan Anigbo, the electoral committee chairman Fatai Adefat, and the security chairman have been arrested and flown to Abuja over violent attacks in the market. Now, the court has ordered Chief Onyebinama not to conduct any election in that market. He refused to obey court order, and because of what we call contempt of court. Contempt of court means that if you disobey court orders, it is binding on you that you have committed a crime. So Chief Chukwuma Onyebinama disobeyed the Lagos State court order and went on to continue the election. Remember, the Mushin local government had advised Chief Chukwuma that they must include Yorubas in their leadership in that Ladipo market. And we know Ladipo is full of Southeasterners. And I told you the last time that since after the election, since Tinubu lost to Peter Obi in Lagos State, there is a grand plan to clip the wings of Igbos in Lagos and the Southwest. So no wonder we are seeing what is happening in Ladipo market today. As we speak, Chief Chukwuma Onyebinama is cooling off in police custody in Abuja.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. This thing we will carry come now to show now waiting they happen for inside Lagos. So most of people have think that these people have given up. No, the Lagos did not stop demolition or taking over the things, the markets, the many things that Igbo people owns in Lagos, and this is a part of the tribal game. To put this in the heart of everybody. Oh, Igbo people do not sell their land and they are buying. That is what the Rubel Abati is trying to say here. He tried to sell this narrative to the people so that they will say, oh yes, Igbo people don't sell land and they are buying other people own. It cannot happen. This is what is creating. You see, evil. When you start calling the Yorubas are evil, it's like people will say, you are attacking the whole tribe. But you see it. You see what this man come to television to tell people. I know Yorubas that live in my place. They own a property in my place. So why is this man talking this nonsense? If you can afford the land in Igbo land, in a proper way built area in Igbo land, then go and buy it. Go and buy. Nobody will stop you. They didn't ask you, where are you from? You are buying land. And it cannot happen. So my people, now so you build, now so my career can show now. So they say one Hausa man, Hausa people, the south, the north, say they are ready to come out for Nigeria. See, they talk like this now. The northern Nigerians. Let me bring the video for you to watch.
Whether we like it or not, there is a problem. We need to discuss the problem. We are disagreeing with ourselves and we have every reason to disagree. The North before now is saying we don't believe in separation. But as I'm standing, I'm telling you that if there's going to be separation tomorrow, the North is ready for it. We are also ready. Let's go our either ways. And I'm telling you this with all sincerity. Northern Nigeria before now do not want to hear anything separation. But as of today, as I speak to you, the North is equally ready to live. Please disagree with me, but I will speak. This is why we are here. This is why we are here. Good. Let us discuss the controversy and let us find a solution to the problem.
Please allow him. Please allow him. Somebody has his opinion. You have your opinion.
This is why we are here. If you disagree with me, come up and give your position. This is my position. This is the position of Northern Nigeria. So if you disagree, make your position known. Yes, we should create. There should be a room for discussion. Call it national conference. Call it national conference. Call it restructuring. Call it whatever. I agree that we should come to a round table and discuss Nigeria and discuss the way forward for Nigeria. I agree that we are disagreeing. I agree that there's a problem.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Shebi I don hear and say the North say they are no longer interested in this country. Say if there will be a separation, they are fully raised. I don't know why these cabals are trying to keep Nigeria one by all means because of their selfish interest, their oil well, the money they have, the houses, the things they are gaining, the shares they are sharing as a shareholder of Nigeria company. So they don't want the country to divide. So you don't hear them. So now the North now they talk like this. However, let me bring this video because if I don't bring this video, this our sister, this girl no go allow me rest. So he say that I must bring and come outside. Or he say the bridge where the governors for Nigeria, especially for North, they build don't too much. Wetin they want use bridge you do? Say they need company infrastructures where their people go feel go work. Just watch the video.
Dear Northern Nigerian governors, we do not want bridge again. Mungaji gada, gadoji gada. Everywhere you go, everybody is doing flyover. Everybody is doing bridge. That is not a sign of development. Please build infrastructures, build factories, and did they swear for us that we cannot own factories in the North? We used to have gum factory in Zamfara. We used to have factories in the North. Now all of them are packed up. It's just building bridge. Is it a taboo for state governments to own that processing plants where people can take their granules and they will come out with kwarere mangeda and seen manene? Like, what's the problem? It's so embarrassing. We don't have good schools. Our children cannot speak good English. But our own is to be building bridge. I tagada and a flyover. In fact, it's even a thing of Anna Bagu, Anna, you know, we are becoming proud. We are bragging about the numbers of bridge. Kano, we say we have the highest number of flyover. Adamawa State have joined them too, they have flyover. They did not swear for Northern Nigeria. Please. Alex Oti has given you can do solar plants. You can do alternate power supply aside PHCN. You can do tractor renting facilities. Bring tractors and keep. And then people that want to farm can come and borrow tractors. You can build schools. You can do public-private partnership with individuals, well-meaning Northerners that are willing to invest. Please leave this bridge alone. Without one bridge, Mungajibama so haba.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please share this video and make sure say they follow the channel for more updates as it hot. Don't forget to drop your own opinion inside comment section so that other people go see your comment and the reply. So tell us what you think for this video so that other people go see the and they share them. The more they share them, the more people go they view them more and they go interrupt. You go see people who go follow talk and make new friends for inside comment section. Thank you so much for sharing, and don't forget to follow our new page. Very, very important.